Guys, I finally did it. I bought my project car. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. It's been like a week and a half, but with everything going on in the world right now, it's really hard to get content out and whatnot. I'm sitting in my new project car as we speak. I can't wait to show you guys what it is. Well, if you recognize the interior, you probably know what it is already. I bought a Miata. It's a 1990, one owner, Florida car, Mazda Miata. There's no rust on it at all whatsoever. The car is super clean. Like I said, I really cannot wait to show you guys. This car is pretty immaculate, not perfect, has its little imperfections here and there, not a big deal. We're gonna be fixing all of that. We have a lot of plans for it. I'm gonna explain to you guys in a future video what I wanna do with this car, what my vision is for this car. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm super excited. I really wanna share this with you guys from, step one, from me getting this car. Well, I've had this car about a week now, but it's been hard for me to make content. If you follow me on my social media, like Instagram, Snapchat, you'll see that I've had this car probably about a week now, but it's been hard to make a video because my job's been booming. I'm still having, I'm still going to work. Thank God, I'm considered essential, which is nice. Still making money. We've been super busy, but it's been hard to make a video. But anyways, guys, let's do a walk around. I'm going to show you the interior, the exterior. I'm going to, start at the car, show you how clean and how good it just sounds. The engine is super healthy. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. I'm going to be starting on the interior. So, I'm already in the driver's seat here. Whoa, hello. So here's the passenger seat, super clean. Now the car doesn't have any carpets. I don't know if you could tell. You probably can't tell. It's a little dark right there. But order new carpets. I didn't get carpets with the car. It's not really a big deal. I just don't want these to get messed up in the car, the actual car carpet itself, so I ordered some new mats there. Don't worry about the center console, guys. I have a shifter rebuild kit that I already ordered for the car that's coming. So I have the center console in the trunk right now. I already took it out just to make sure like what I needed. I saw a couple of bushings were a little eaten up, so I just ordered the whole thing. And I didn't want to put it back on because I'm getting the kit in a couple days, so there's no point in putting everything back to take it off again. But anyways, the center, right here, the tombstone as they call it, no cracks in it. Usually these are super cracked a lot of times in the Miatas. The dash sometimes cracks, but no, there's literally nothing. Sorry guys, there's a little glare right there, but nothing is cracked. I'm gonna be doing a new radio probably soon. Don't worry about that. Car has 98,000 miles in it. Like I said, original owner, the guy was in his 70s, so it means he bought this car when he was in his 40s, which means, this was always adult owned, which is great. Steering wheel, let me show you guys here's the driver's seat. It's got a little rip right here. It's not a big deal. Gonna be doing new seats probably, but like I said, I'll go further into detail in my next video when I show you guys, the things I'm gonna be doing to this car. Also, the pedals, a little nasty. Their rubber's falling apart, but it's not a big deal. The soft top is super, super clean. There's no rips or anything in it. The back glass is good. It doesn't leak. It's rained a couple of times the past few days, and nothing's been wet on the interior. The car's silver, as you can see. Got to get rid of these guys, but not a big deal. Has new tires in the back, so I could probably burn these off once I get the car registered with some plates. But let me put the soft top down. Okay. So, here we go, guys. The car, like I said, is super clean. And even in the typical Miata rocker parts where you get typical rust around here, literally nothing, not even a speck of rust on this. Not on this side. Here's the rear. I'm gonna try and fix this. This little dent, missing some paint, but it's not a big deal. And nothing here as well. No rust there. Like I said, in typical Miata fashion, these like to rust around the rockers, but there we go. And we have the engine, nothing leaks, super clean. I'll start it up in a second so you guys can hear it, but there we go. start this up for you guys. So you can hear it literally starts right up. Oh, that little beep is a little annoying, but that's all right. Literally the car starts right up. No lights on the dash at all. And let me show you the engine. It sounds super healthy. I mean, guys, there's no ticking, no like lifter tick, no kind of any rod knock sounds, anything like that. And obviously in this area right here, in the future video we'll explain what's probably going to be going on in this area right here. You guys, own a Miata, or you've followed people with Miatas and they modify them heavily, you'll know what I'm talking about. But super quiet. Once again, it's 100% stock, and I bought it from the original owner. Even the exhaust pipe, like no smoke out of it. For a 30-year-old car, no smoke. It's a little rusted on the tip, but there's no like oil blow by, nothing like that. Little crack here, that's not a big deal though. The car overall is super clean, but I mean, guys, this is it. Like, this is hopefully what's gonna, help my YouTube channel. It should be super fun. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Like, I am so excited to start this. I wanted to just make a quick walk around of the car. Nothing serious. The car is stock, so there's nothing really to show on it. If you know what a stock Miata looks like, well, that's what you get. But this is a super bare bones, basic Miata, crank windows. I mean, the car actually has AC, which is cool, and it actually works decent. Nothing crazy. It might recharge it. It would be nice to have AC, even though the top's going to be down a lot. It'd be kind of nice to have air conditioning just in case it's really hot in the summer. But anyways, I'm super excited to like start this project with you guys. I wanted to get a car. I did look at a couple other ones, right? But they had some mods done to it. Nothing crazy, but I wanted to get a nice clean stock example. And when this one popped up, I really couldn't pass on it, being that it was an original owner, Florida car, no rust, always garage kept and adult owned. So it was something that I really couldn't pass up on. And to think this car is under 100,000 miles, 30 years old, maintenance paperwork that he gave me for everything, 5 or 6 keys for the car, like all like original everything, owner's manual I have inside my house. Like, I have everything from this car from when he first purchased it back in 1990, or well, he purchased it in 89, being that it's a 90, but obviously. But so this is the first year Miata. So I just can't wait. I just have so many plans for this car. I'm going to be making a video explaining what I want to do with this car. And let me know what you guys think. Like, are you guys excited? Because I know I am. I'm going to be doing everything from start to finish. Everything's going to be done by me. I'm doing everything myself. My friends are going to help me out if they can. And I'm going to go right into it. I wanted to do this with you guys. I wanted to, start from scratch. It kind of sucked because when I started YouTube, the Mini Cooper already had a lot of stuff done to it, and I missed a lot of opportunity to film, what I wanted to do with that car, because I started YouTube after all of that. Obviously, I've done a lot of mods on the channel and whatnot, but again, I wanted something that I was going to get that was stock, that really set everything off, and I think this would be a fun example of a car that I can literally make my own, from start to finish, wherever this car, ends up getting to. But yeah, guys, so let me do, one more walk around. But once again, this is super exciting. Everything is super clean. Let me put this window down just so that you guys can see. But yeah, I mean, everything is so clean in this car. I mean, the car's dirty with the paint, but everything is super clean on the car. And I mean, thing starts right up. It runs perfect. Let me close this up. But yeah, guys, hopefully you like it. I think it's a super nice, clean example of a Miata that wasn't, you know, destroyed or beat on or modified. I can't wait to get started on it. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. This is the first step in my Miata, I guess you could call it, build series that I'm going to be doing for this car. So from mod number 1 to however many other mods I end up doing to this car, I'm going to film it all. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm going to be making many more videos, hopefully soon, if all this stuff in the world calms down and I can get this car out on the road and just drive it and enjoy. So I will have a POV, you know, driving video of my experiences and reactions very soon once everything's cleared up and I can get this car legally on the road. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, because really it lets YouTube know that I'm doing an okay job, and I really want to, you know, start to expand my YouTube career and really, you know, take this seriously and just start getting out there and just film and cover as many things as I can. So like I said, guys, again, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe. Remember to that's nice, people racing down my block. But anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. And again, put down in the comments what you think about the car, what do you think I should do to it. Again, another video is going to be coming out soon of my plans for this car. And yeah, so stay safe, wash your hands, social distance the right way, and we could all, you know, beat this horrible thing that's going on in the world today. And hopefully we can have a fun summer, get out there, do car stuff, and that's the most important thing, guys. So enjoy the rest of your day.